Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Heroes in a Half Shell, Turtle Power. Check out these new Ninja Turtles I got. It's from the Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I love them. Have a look. That's Donatello. He's a purple. He's a smart boy. He's coming up with inventions to help the Ninja Turtles defeat bad guys. He uses his brains all the time. He's a good boy. He's my favorite. Hey, I know you. You're Raphael. You're the tough guy Ninja Turtle who gets mad all the time. You need to control that temper, Raph. See the shell. Oh! Ah, that's a sharp shell. Oh, that gives me a poke. Even your shell hurts. Hello, Raph. I love you, boy. Leonardo. He's the leader of the pack. He's blue. My favorite color. Whoa, he's on a skateboard. That's not like you, Leo. I thought Michelangelo was the party dude. Oh! You fall down. Hey! You better not knock me down like that. I'm a turtle boy. I got red stripes. He's a different type of turtle. He's got red stripes on his face. If you know what kind of turtle that is, leave it in the comments. Oh, it's party dude. It's Michelangelo. The wild man. Cowabunga! He's on a skateboard. And look, he's got markings all over his body. He's a really cool turtle. Oh! What did you fall down? Hey dudes, I'm Ninja Turtle. Michelangelo. I'm party dude. I want to eat pizza all the time. Give me it. Woohoo! Yee-hee-hee! It's April O'Neil, the turtle's best friend. She's always there for them, and they're always there to help her. That's what friends do. I love you, April. What the heck? It's like a cat. It's her sidekick cat. She takes care of it because she's a nice girl. Meow. Some mutant dog cat thing. Oh, Master Splinter. Very nice to see you, boy.
Hey, you turtles! You better follow those directions, or you'll be grounded.
He lives to ground the turtles. Ooh, he's got a sword hidden in his stick.
I am Master Splinter. I am a very tired old rat.
It's Baron Draxum. He spooks me out big time. You're a bad boy, Baron. You yucko, who's that? Meat sweats. You troublemaker. I can smell you from here, boy. You're a stinky boy. You need to be nicer to those turtles. I told you that. Stop trying to bash them with that meat hammer. Tenderizer. Okay. Ooh, look at this spook. He's a origami ninja or a foot soldier. I'm not sure which one. I don't know any better. If you know which one this is, leave it in the comments. Man, he looks pretty cool though. Thanks for tuning in on me. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about what kind of turtles those are and which one's your favorite. Goodbye.